And welcome back. Leadership Conference of Persons with Disabilities has been held in Islamabad to promote protect rights of physically challenged persons. Persons with handicaps from all across the country attended the conference in great number.
The full and effective participation of persons with disabilities in society is hampered owing to lack of state and governmental protection to bring them in the mainstream of national affairs. Thus, the great potential and strength is spoiled which these people can contribute in the country. In order to promote, protect and ensure fundamental rights and privileges of physically challenged persons, speakers at Leadership Conference organized in collaboration with US Embassy, Civil Society, Women Parliamentary Caucus and welfare organizations have demanded that comprehensive parliamentary bill should be made to safeguard the rights of persons with disabilities. The bill must provide legal cover to facilities and civic amenities that include right to life, liberty and security of persons, freedom from torture, exploitation, violence and abuse, and participation in political and public life, culture, recreation and sport.
The government did draft a law and it was a draft that they produced but the Women Caucus took the initiative and they worked on it with taking all stakeholders on board. So I think it's going to be a very inclusive and Persons with Disabilities Act would be tabled soon.
And we are trying to enforce and push for the agenda because this is very important to have the bill and the strategy how we are going to implement it, because we want a dignified life for persons with disabilities with all the rights, and this is only possible once we have the bill and the proper implementation plan of our national strategy and the link with the Constitution of Pakistan and the financial and the budgetary allocations for the bringing the persons with disabilities in the mainstream society.
We're sharing information about the U.S. experience for policy and legislation on disability rights. So what this conference is about is building up the capacity of people with disabilities in Pakistan to take the lead on promoting disability rights legislation.
Experts emphasize that Planning and Development Commission of Pakistan should prepare a comprehensive proposal to incorporate mayors to provide for income tax exemptions, free medical health facilities at all private and public sector hospitals, free education for the physically challenged persons in Pakistan. They propose architectural code to facilitate the movement of persons with handicaps should be implemented in letter and spirit for all buildings in all cities of Pakistan.
People with disabilities are not recipients of charity all the time. They need their rights, and we need a rights-based legislation now, as government of Pakistan has ratified UN Convention on the rights of persons with disabilities. So at this time we are bound to have a right-based law.
This leadership conference will help us in formulating the laws for the person with disabilities, which will ensure us that we are the equal citizens.
Analysts and experts were of the view that the physically challenged persons could turn out to be a tremendous power and great asset if they are driven to beat the odds by providing them social training and equipping them with education to spur economic growth and poverty alleviation. Fahad Ahmed Missan, PTV World, Islamabad.
And now sports news with Waleed coming up next. Stay with us.